Okay. In a competition of 20 questions, Chester answered 3 questions wrongly. So how many points did he get? Okay, so if total is 20 and he got 3 wrong, how many did he get right? 20 minus 3, 17, okay? So how many points did he get? 17 right questions you will get, times 5, you will get 85 points, okay? 3 wrong, so we have to minus 3 points for every wrong question. So 3 questions wrong, so you need to minus 9. 3 times 3 times 3 minus 9. So altogether, 85 minus 9, you will get 76 points. 76 points. Okay? Now, in the competition, there were less than 100 questions. He scored exactly 0 points. Okay, so the marks he got for right are cancelled out exactly by the marks that he got wrong. So what's the maximum number of corrections he answered correctly? Okay, right, wrong. Okay, the marks he got must cancel out exactly to give you 0. Okay, follow right so far? So every right question he gets 5 points. Every wrong question he gets minus 3 points. Okay, so every right question he gets plus 5 points. Every wrong question he minus 3 points. So when do you have a time where they cancel each other? Okay, so it's a question of multiples. What is the common multiple of 5 and 3? Okay, so you do your multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 15. 15 is a common multiple of 5 and 3. Okay? So when you get 15 points and minus 15 points, they cancel each other out, you get 0, right? Okay? So how do you get 15 points plus 15 points? You need to get 3 correct questions, right? Each correct question gives you 5 points. So you need to get 3 correct questions, then you get plus 15 points. How do you get minus 15 points? Each question is minus 3. Each wrong question is minus 3 points. So you need to get 5 wrong questions. Then you get 15 points. Minus 15 points. Right? Follow me? Each wrong question is 3 points, minus 3 points. So when you answer 5 wrong questions, you get minus 15 points. So when you do that, when that happens, you answer 3 right, 5 wrong, here you get plus 15, minus 15, cancel, you get 0. Okay, so 3 right questions, 5 wrong questions. Total, how many questions? Total, how many questions? 3 right, 5 wrong. Total, 8 questions. Right? Follow so far? Okay. Now, can you simply say, oh, 8 questions, because correct what? 8 questions, they cancel each other out. He gets exactly 0 points. Can you write answer 8 questions? No. Okay. They are looking for the number of questions is less than 100, but maximum. Question asking maximum. So you have to get the number of questions you have to get. You have to push as close to 100, but cannot exceed 100, less than 100, right? So how? Okay, let's try. So we have 8 questions and he get 5 wrong, 3 correct, he will get 0. Next, mix another 8, 16 questions, okay? 16 questions, okay? He gets 5 times 2, you get 10, times 2, you get 6, okay? So 5 times 6 correct questions, you get plus 30 marks, okay? 3 times 10 wrong questions, you get minus 30. So, plus 30 minus 30, once again, you get 0. How many questions? 6 correct, 10 wrong, 16. Then you get another 8 questions. You get 24. So we know in math, carry on. We can keep pushing to as close to 100 as possible. So now it becomes a question of multiple of 8. Okay? So let's try to push multiple of 8 to as close to 100 as possible. So you have 80, right? 8 times 10 is 80. Can we push further? 80 plus 8. Use your calculator if you have to. It's 88. Can we push further? Use your calculator if you have to. 88 plus 8, you get 96. Oh, very close. Can you push further? Plus 96 plus 8, you get 104. Oops. Too much. Overshot 100. Okay? Question says less than 100. So this is out. So the maximum number is this. 96 questions.
Overwhelmed by the sheer variety of PSLE Math questions, especially in Paper 1 Booklet B and Paper 2? Now you're not alone, and there's a smarter way to tackle it. After years of guiding students through these challenging sections, I developed the 9-type system, proven framework that simplifies even the trickiest word problems by distilling them into just 9 core types. This system helps students recognize common patterns in questions, apply a step-by-step problem-solving strategy, understand concepts deeply, not just memorize, maximize marks with an exam smart approach. The 9-type system, proven, powerful, effective, designed specifically for primary 6 students who are aiming for excellence. What makes this online math camp different? In addition to covering all the essential topics, students will be taught the 9-type system, equipping them with a powerful framework to confidently tackle any word problem they face in the exam. Let's dive into what we have in store for your child. Covers core topics: fractions, ratio, speed, volume, circles, ... and more high-yield topics critical for the PSLE. What to expect: strategic problem-solving techniques, challenging questions from top school prelims, practice with real past papers from schools like Rosyth, Henry Park, Nanyang, Raffles Girls, Nanhua, Mahabodhi, and many more. Small group setting for focused guidance. Ideal for students who want to strengthen fundamentals and master advanced techniques. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality learning. Boost confidence, sharpen skills, ace the PSLE. In this camp, we will equip your child with the tools they need to navigate the PSLE with confidence. Don't let the stress of exam time overwhelm your child. Give them the gift of a strategic, simplified approach to PSLE Math. Location: online. Watch how I solve example questions. Singapore PSLE Math Tuition, YouTube.
I have achieved for A stars, the equivalent of for AL1, for my own PSLE. Having done it myself, I know what it takes to achieve AL1 EPSL.
Find out more about my credentials and teaching experience. Singapore Primary PSLE Math Tuition, simplifying PSLE Math, maximizing results. DM through Facebook.